Teas that reduce fluid retention. Has this ever happened to you? One morning you're putting on your clothes like normal, and the next you can't even button your jeans. Did you suddenly gain weight? This could be due to fluid retention, which is an imbalance in the body that can occasionally cause weight gain and swelling in the legs, around the ankles, and abdomen. And the good news is that we can eliminate these symptoms with the following recipes for a tea. Find out what they are. What are some medicinal plants that can help prevent fluid retention? Causes feelings of heaviness and discomfort. We feel swollen, and what's worse, when we look in the mirror it appears we've actually gained weight. These effects are mostly due to hormonal fluctuations, premenstrual syndrome, for example, as well as the side effect of having a sedentary lifestyle. But they can also be due to diseases, certain heart and liver conditions, high blood pressure, stress, and the adverse effects of some medications. 1. Kamabulto tea. Drinking a tea made with bulto leaves twice a day is a great option for fluid retention relief. Bulto leaves can alleviate fluid retention because of the presence of alkaloids like isoquinoline and quinazidine, which promote good circulation. All you need to reap this benefit is to add 6 leaves to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5 minutes and have a little with breakfast, then drink the rest after your main meal of the day. 2. Dandelion tea. Dandelion is a great plant for a detox regimen, and the flowers of the plant can be used to make tea as well as added to a salad. It helps the body eliminate excess liquids, promotes good kidney function, and helps cleanse the blood. It's an amazing plant. 2 teas made with dandelion tea will help with fluid retention, 1 in the morning with breakfast, and 1 mid-afternoon. You only need to add a few leaves or flowers from this plant to boiling water. Filter the liquid and drink it slowly. You'll see good results. 3. Green tea. Green tea is another great detoxifying beverage and promotes the production of urine. It not only helps remove toxic substances that accumulate in the body, but also helps reduce inflammation and remove retained fluid. It's incredibly beneficial. You can drink up to 3 cups per day. Green tea is easy to find in stores, and better yet, adding a little honey instead of sugar as a sweetener makes it even healthier. 4. Horsetail tea. Have you already heard about the benefits of horsetail? You can find it in natural food stores or sometimes even in pharmacies. This plant is full of minerals, especially silica, potassium, and magnesium. In addition to being a good diuretic and detoxifying agent, it restores minerals and acts as a natural astringent and antidiarrheal. How could you not take the opportunity to benefit from all that? Ideally, you'll drink a horsetail tea twice a day, adding the equivalent of 1 teaspoon to a cup of boiling water. Mixing in a little licorice flavor or mint will give it better flavor. Let the tea steep for 5 minutes before drinking it slowly. If you use it consistently, you'll see how much better horsetail tea makes you feel. 5. Birch leaf tea. The leaves from birch trees are rich in potassium salts, which have a very good diuretic effect on the body and help eliminate feelings of heaviness, while reducing retention of fluid. Want to give it a try? All you need to do is look for the leaves in a natural foods or herbal store, where its benefits are well known. It can even be used to cure urinary tract infections. Drink 1 to 2 cups a day of this tea. Add the equivalent of 1 tablespoon to a cup of boiling water, and steep for 5 minutes. You can drink 1 cup with breakfast, and the other around mid-afternoon. You'll feel better, it helps with digestion, and it has a pleasant taste. Don't hesitate to try it. General recommendations to prevent fluid retention. To prevent fluid retention, you should always follow a low-sodium diet. It's important to limit or eliminate the use of salt in cooking. Instead, you can spice up your dishes with other herbs, vinegar, lemon, garlic, or onion and. Ideally we should follow a diet that's rich in vegetables like squash, tomatoes, asparagus. Follow a diet low in sodium, so it is necessary to eliminate the use of salt in food. You can spice up your dishes with other herbs, or vinegar, lemon, garlic or onion and. Ideally we should try to follow a diet rich in vegetables like squash, tomatoes, asparagus, and artichokes. Eat bananas. They're rich in potassium, beans, and complex carbohydrates, rice, pasta, etc. Drink at least 2 liters of water per day, but if drinking plain water bothers you, add a little lemon juice to make it taste better. And above all, don't forget to get a little exercise every day. At least 1 hour, be it walking, bike rides, etc. You'll be doing the right thing for your overall health.